Hi, Bob. Okay, doing another video, but this is to get you oriented. This is the front door with our obligatory lucky horseshoe at the top. Might be a mule shoe, I'm not sure about that. So anyway, you come in the front door and we'll swing around here. And we got this hallway. More baskets. Terry's really a good decorator, as you probably know. This is just the hallway. Now, over here, this is an Alan Jackson poster that I'd ordered many years ago, and it's signed by Alan. This is our tombstone type stuff. And then the movie Tombstone. And all of these are signed by the actors, including Charlton Heston. Heard of him, huh? Anyway, all of the actors there of Tombstone. Wyatt Earp, signed by some great nephew, Ralph Earp. This is one of my favorites here. Yours truly, in my Wild West acting days. Real gunfire.
Do not come in here.
Oh, Terry says I can't come in the living
We
room.
have pictures of the house, babe.
Yeah, well, he doesn't have this. This is my grandfather on my mom's side. These papers were Terry's mom's. The original papers are all in behind that. Not just the front page papers are there. And I'm not going to go through that whole china cabinet. That'd take forever. So anyway, this way where we come in, this was the den. Here we got a bath. And then this is the junk room, I guess you'd call it.
My paintings.
I know, I'm going to show him your paintings. That is the first puck drop on the Vegas Golden Knights at the arena. And that was a jigsaw puzzle. That was fun. Okay, now Terry has become quite the artist and is painting being very productive. Productive, is that the right word?
I guess so.
Oh, here
Proactive.
she's spying on what am I doing? She wants to know. I
The
say,
bed.
hi,
It's got
hi
a-
Bob. Say,
Hi, Bob.
it's just for
Hi,
Bob.
Casper, really.
So we put up all she had done a while back,
But I've done more.
but prolific is the word I was looking for.
Oh, yeah.
She's quite prolific. So these are just laying out of the bed because we don't have wall space. We need a bigger house.
Yeah.
Closet should be closed. Anyway, now you ask about the military room. There's not a military room, but there's a military wall. That flag was Terry's dad's for his funeral service. He just spent like 2 years in Alaska. You'd think he was a war hero by the way he talked about it. And then this is the only military wall really is here. That sword on top was my dad's, and I don't know why. Enlisted don't usually have a sword. This is Terry's grandfather. He was in the Spanish-American War, and he was really active with marksmanship shooting after the war. This is my father. This is my mom's father, my grandfather. He landed on Omaha Beach. Sorry, I had to think about it there. Omaha Beach was in the big red one you see here. And this is a famous picture you see on every show about Omaha Beach. And that looks just like my grandfather to me, but probably 1,000 other people think it's their relative. This is him. His Purple Heart. I understand he had 2 Purple Hearts, but there's only one that was handed down. And then these are items I picked up off of Omaha Beach, including a live .45 round there. a couple of buttons, a grommet. And that's a chunk of rock that was made, must be a concretion from inside a canteen. It says US on the rock. So it was like inside a canteen, the metal is rusted away. But that's pretty special for me. That's my grandpa's awards. Again, I only see one Purple Heart. But I understand he was wounded in Omaha Beach, and then he went to the battle. He was in the Battle of the Bulge, and he was wounded there also. This is Terry's dad and his dog tags. And here's yours truly. That's mine. Got my Presidential Service badge at the top, in the middle of the flag. My stripes. Not that well decorated, but not bad. I never was, in a combat situation. And at White House Com, they just didn't have time to be making awards. I got a couple awards there, but that was rare. And then my stepson, Brian, in his Marine uniform. And then below that is, oh, I gotta move this. There's my dad's flag. As you know, he was Sergeant Major. Pretty proud of that. And more paintings. More paintings. And then, look at this. This is Joy. These are just Josie's reserve toys. She can come in here and pick out what she wants. And that's it, buddy. That's the room. Talk to you later.